Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vortex Tutorial. So today we are going to design a knurling bolt. So let's see how to design that in Solidworks. Basically in this video I'm going to show you how to make knurling on a screw or bolt by using Solidworks. So let's see. First of all we are going to design that bolt. Select front plane, sketch, select line, start from here, go upwards, here, 1 click here and meet this point. So now we are going to put some dimensions. Select smart dimension, select this, make it as 8 mm, and from here to here we are going to put as 9 mm, and this should be 1 mm, and this is 7.5 mm, and this one is 1 mm, and from here to here this is 5 mm, and this one is and this one from here to here we have is 7 mm, and this thing is 5 mm, or yeah, take it as 5 mm. Now select this line and this line, make relation equal. Yeah, equal is already. Select this line and this line, make relation collinear, and distance from here, from this line to this line is 20 mm, and this should be 40, and select this line and this line, make relation equal. Now you can note you can make this geometry and note down all the dimensions by pausing the video. Now we are going to revolve this. Go to go to features and select revolve boss base, click on that, select this line as the axis of revolution, click OK. We have a structure like this. Now do one thing, select this face, sketch, Ctrl 8 for normal, and convert entities. Now just go here, exit from the sketch first of all, and go to curves, select helical, select helix and spiral, and select this circle in case it is not selected already. Constant pitch, select constant pitch should be 1 mm, and in reverse direction revolution put 13, degrees. Counterclockwise revolution, we are going to increase the revolution, make it as 18. Now click OK. So we have a structure like this. Select top plane, sketch, Control 8 for normal. Select line. We are going to draw the threads. Make a line here and here. The distance of this line should be 0.8, or we can increase this at 1.1. that would be too big. 0.8 would be good. Click OK. Select this line, and this line. Make relation equal. Now select a point and put it here on the middle of this line. Now select this point and this point, make relation coincident. Now go to feature. Actually, first of all, you have to exit from the sketch. Go to swept cut. Now go to swept cut, select this sketch and select this path. Now click OK. Select this helix, hide it. Now we have successfully drawn the threads on the bolt. Now we are going to move further. For that we have to select this face, control sketch, Control 8 for normal. Now select this edge and convert entities. Now again we are going to repeat the step. Go to curves, helix and spiral. Here the pitch we are going to take it as 30, and in reverse direction revolution we are going to take it as 0.25, and angle is 0, and it should be in clockwise direction, right? Revolution, keep it as 0.3 or 0.25 would be fine. 0.25 would be fine actually. Now again select this face, sketch, Control 8 for normal. Okay. Now select this edge and convert entities. Now then, select a center line. From here to here we are going to draw a center line. Now select here, from here we are going to draw a 3-point center rectangle from here to 3-point center rectangle, draw like this. Okay, that would be fine. Select this point, merge, and select this point, coincident. Select this point, this coincident. That is okay. Now select this edge for construction, this edge also. Exit from the sketch. Now zoom out a bit. Actually my scroller button is not working, so I'm not able to zoom in and zoom out frequently. I'm using the system zoom in zoom out command. Okay, now go to swept cut, select this profile and this path. Now click OK. We have successfully made a swept cut like this. This zoom in zoom button is really annoying. Now go to mirror, about, front plane, and features to mirror is cut swept. Click OK. Now go here under linear pattern, you will find an option circular pattern. Parameter, we are going to select this circle or whatever, you can select this and this, whatever you want. Now features and faces, mirror, cut swept, both. Make sure that both are selected. Here make it as 13. Click OK. So we have a knurling structure like this. So now we are going to put some material on it. Go to metal, polish steel would be fine. You can see that how beautifully it has been created, and the look of it is great, I guess. Hopefully this video would have helped you. Again, this is very annoying. Hopefully this video would have helped you to generate knurling on any surface. Let's finish it with some fillet. 1, 2, or increase it as 0.5. Click OK. You should. Okay. We are not going to apply fillet here, we are going to apply chamfer here. 1 mm or 0.2, that would be good. Okay, that's fine, that's beautiful. Actually, you can see the knurling clearly. You can see the knurls on the bolts clearly. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I will keep on making videos. I will keep on making videos like this. Thank you.